What is up, everybody? Here we are with part 28 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's amazing 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Part 28. Today's topic will be all about judgment, judging not, all that kind of stuff. Judge not, lest you too be judged. Judge not, or ye shall be judged. However you want to say that one. But this one's a big principle. He has this idea of get rid of this need to condemn others. Your judgments don't actually define others. All they do is define you as somebody who needs to judge. And in the end, don't judge other people or your subconscious mind's going to judge you. I'm assuming you guys have seen my other videos on judgment and have seen my video previously in this series. Kind of don't think you started with part 28. I mean, if you did, welcome everybody. But if you didn't, then an earlier video I talked specifically about judgment because he has a similar concept on this one earlier. And it's pretty great stuff because I'm just going to recap very quickly and not go into the detail I did earlier. But that when you judge other people, you're telling your subconscious mind that it needs to judge you. So as soon as you say to this person, you didn't do this well enough, you didn't do it perfectly, your subconscious mind is just going to tell you, oh, you didn't do this well enough, you didn't do it perfectly. And it's just that pattern. Basically, you're teaching it to kind of treat you the same way you treat others. I mean, I had an example earlier about BioShock 2, where Eleanor has a line about that kind of thing. BioShock 2, a little questionable on the level of storytelling as a philosophy, but back on topic here. Don't judge others or your subconscious mind will judge you and will make your life a living hell. So big deal to not do that. And also this idea that your judgments don't define other people. I think that's pretty new to other people because a lot of people really look at the world from an egocentric kind of point of view. So basically just being self-centered. They think all the world's about them to some degree, or really that's the only way they can see the world. Empathy is not really a skill that's taught in school. Probably should be, but it's not. So empathy-wise, people naturally just feel a need to judge something. So as soon as they see something critical in the world, they want to say, criticize, criticize, criticize. And they lay on these judgments that really set traps for them later in their life so that their subconscious mind's always judging them, and they don't get to be happy. And that's really what happens with judgment. But also, it doesn't actually define those people. If you, think a judgment about that person, that doesn't actually hurt them, okay? It's just a thought about, unless you, express it to them and they feel bad about whatever you said. I mean, it doesn't hurt them. If you just think, oh, that person, they look fat or they're stupid or whatever, then that thought doesn't actually hurt them, okay? That thought only hurts you. So every time people are judging, they're, taking a gun and going and shooting themselves in the face, okay? So don't do as much of that, okay? It's not easy just to go cold turkey on judgment because we are naturally, taught how to judge people 24 hours a day, basically. I mean, there's, so much of this everywhere, people just judging other people all the time, okay? So evaluations of people as jobs and all that stuff, that's fine. But judging people unnecessarily is really just going to be harmful for you. So judge not or ye shall be judged. Thanks everybody for watching. That's part 28. I will see you guys next time with part 29. So stay tuned.